정만두 만두 만두 꿀잼 영상 만두 구독해요 좋아요 눌러. Hey everyone! Today I'm going to make delicious golden apple pie. Now I'm going to make the pie crust first. Add 150 grams of cake flour, 20 grams of sugar, and 1 grams of salt. And sift them. Add 80 grams of diced butter. Rise the butter with the scraper. Add 40 milliliters of milk. Mix them with the spatula. Knead the dough with dry hands. When the dough comes together, wrap it up and rest it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Now let's make the filling. Add 400 grams of sliced apples into the pot. Boil at low heat until the juice comes out from the apples. Add 30 grams of sugar, 5 grams of cinnamon powder. Then mix them. Then add 15 milliliters of lemon juice. Boil at low heat to reduce the amount into half of it. Now add 10 grams of cornstarch. Sprinkle the dusting flour on the table. Put 40% of the dough aside for the top sheet. Roll the dough out to 3 millimeters thick with the rolling pin. Then transfer it onto the pie pan. Poke holes in the pie crust. Now add the filling into the pie crust. Sprinkle the dusting flour on the table. Now let's roll out the top sheet to 1 to 2 millimeters thick. Cut the dough into strips of 1 centimeter width. Place the 7 cut strips of dough vertically on top of the pie. and place the other 7 cut strips of dough horizontally on top of the pie. Peel back the 2nd, 4th, and 6th strips and place another strip on it. Then peel back the 1st, 3rd, 5th, and 7th strips and place another strip on it too. And repeat it until it's finished. Tuck the extra strips into the pie or cut them out. Brush the egg wash, which is made of an egg yolk and 15 milliliters of milk, on the pie. Bake for 35 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Voila! Here's our delicious homemade apple pie. It's crunchy, sweet, and juicy. You definitely will like it. See you next time!